Now I really hope that you can actually see this. Oopsie, that was too close. Come on. Because that little thing which is moving there, it is a thrip. It is a very young one. It is a super small one. As you can see, it is rather yellowish in color, a bit oval in shape. This is how they look like. And yeah, if I try to actually zoom out a bit, here is how large is the sheet of paper, and here it is the springtail. Not the springtail, sorry, the thrip. Springtails are very similar to thrips, but springtails don't go on the blooms but only on the roots. Springtails are not bad, they exist on every orchid, on the root system, on the medium. That is completely normal. They feed with dead materials, but these thrips, it doesn't want to focus anymore. Come on. But these are actually thrips. They feed on the blooms, they transmit diseases, and they are absolutely horrible. Now I really need to kill it, and I need to spray my orchid with the insecticide. And not only that one, the whole collection, because I don't want these pests in my orchid collection. I will do this treatment with a systemic insecticide, and yeah, the way I managed to get it on the sheet of paper, it is I shaked very well the blooms on the sheet of paper, and it really paid off. This is a way to check if your blooms have thrips or not. To shake it for about 5 seconds pretty well, and if you get these things that move, sometimes it is, oopsie, sorry guys, I needed to kill it. I smashed it actually because it was getting on the end, and yeah, here we can still have eggs and other things, so I will just throw away this sheet of paper. But this is a good way to check if you have thrips or not. And another way would be you check closely with your eye, but this thing was really small. It had about 1 millimeter, and it was in the crawler stage when it cannot yet fly from an orchid to another, but when they are mature they can do that. So you really need to make sure you take care of your orchids.